Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to book a flight on Frontier Airlines. So there are two methods. The first one is to simply go to flyfrontier.com or simply downloading their official Android or iOS app and then simply click on book flights. Now if you go to flyfrontier.com, you're basically gonna get redirected to this page. We're gonna have to simply choose from which country to which country you want to fly, and basically you can choose from round trip to one way, and you can even change the depart date and the return date, and then simply choose for how many travelers, and then simply click on search, and then basically they're gonna offer you different prices depending on the flight, and basically you can book a flight directly on flyfrontier.com. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.